of you by the side of Bhavi Varmani, and today I am going to start with a new topic, that is Vedic Maths. So Vedic Maths, you can say that Vedic Maths is basically a cover up of mathematics, as in mathematics we take a lot of time to calculate. But in Vedic Maths we just take few seconds to calculate. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's proceed on. So we will be starting with 3D into 2D. Okay, so D stands for digit. So we will be doing 3-digit number into 2-digit number. So the formula you have to keep in mind while doing the calculation is I X star X I. So let's take an example. With this formula we have to do all the calculation. So let's take an example. 3 1 5 multiply by 21. So it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now let's take now we have to put 0 here on any empty place. So step 1 is that we always start from the right side. So this is I, which means we have to multiply ones place only. So it is 5 into 1 is equals to 5. So this one is 5. Now step 2 is it is cross multiplication. So we have to cross multiply this by this. Okay, so it is we have to multiply 1 into 1 plus 5 into 2. That is 1 1 is 1 plus 5 to the 10, and it is 11. So we will write it as 1. So this one is in carry, so we will write it like this. Now we have done this also. Now it's star. So we have to multiply this by this by this, and this by this. So you can say that we have to multiply hundreds by ones by hundreds, and tens by tens, and then plus all. So we will do it like step 3. It is 3 into 1 plus now 5 into 0 plus 1 into 2. So 3 ones is 3 plus 5 zeros are 0 plus 1 twos are 2. Now we will add all these. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we will add 5 with 1 as it is the carry. So it is 6. Now we have done this step also. Now we have you can hide it. Now our main motive is this, and it means that we have to multiply 3 by 2 1 by 0. So it is step 4. So 3 into 2 plus 1 into 0. So it is 3 to the 6 plus 0 1 the 0. Now it is 6 only. 6. Now we have done this also. And last step is that we have to multiply hundreds by hundreds. So step 5 is 3 into 0 is 0 only. So our answer is 0. So answer is 6 6 1 5. Guys, I hope that you liked or this video benefits you, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on my